Thinking of you, thinking of you. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on how to make a DIY vision board. Now, you're probably wondering, Amy, it's April, why are we doing a vision board now? For those who don't know what a vision board is, I didn't even know what a vision board actually was. I've never heard of it. It just has a vision of everything that you want to accomplish during the year. I think a vision board is a great way to just obviously visually see your dreams and see your goals. A lot of people say, look at the vision board every day, you're going to achieve those goals. Before I get into the tutorial, I just wanted to say that I hope everyone is in good health during this pandemic and hope everyone is safe and staying inside. I really wanted to do this video because I feel like a lot of us are cooped up in our homes. We probably don't have as much as we would normally do. We can't go out, we can't see friends and live our daily lives basically just because we're staying home. I think that something like this will help you, or it definitely helped me just get my motivation back and get my head back on track as to where I want to be this year. You know, just because we have this going on doesn't mean it's going to stop you from any of your goals or anything that you want to achieve. So for those who want to see a more detailed version of how I made this vision board, keep watching. First, you can create a list of some of your goals that you want to achieve for the year. I actually made a list in the beginning of the year from my notes app on my phone, so I went ahead and accessed that and added any others that I had. I organized them into different categories, which I will show you why I did that in a bit. Once you have your list, I like to use several apps, but Pinterest was the first one I used. I made a Pinterest board so I can get a better visual on how the pictures would look together. I continued using Pinterest for a bit and then went on Google too. I was going for a warm aesthetic theme, so I typed in the words like self-care aesthetic or office aesthetic, since those were some of my goals. Another app I used was Tumblr. I go on here once in a blue moon actually, but my profile had a lot of pictures that I'd want on my board, so I saved the ones I liked. The final app I use is Adobe Spark Post. I use this for some wallpaper pictures or for my Instagram stories. I chose the search free photos button and again looked up other keywords for the board. Once I found a picture I liked, I selected it, then kept it as the original size and removed the watermark and text. Once you're done, save it to your camera roll. I wanted to add some words on my vision board that symbolized my goals, so I went on font.com and searched for a pretty script font that I liked. Instead of downloading the font, I made the text bigger and entered the words I wanted. Then I took a screenshot of each word and added it to my desktop. I went back to Pinterest and saved each picture to my desktop. To make it easier, I made a folder to save all of the pictures into. I found that the easiest way to print my pictures was through Microsoft Word. I added all of the pictures and adjusted them to the right size so I could use the least amount of paper. I'll speed this part up so you can see. Thinking of you, thinking of you. I saved my work in case I needed to readjust the size of my pictures, and here's the final Word document. Let's go to the printer and print the pictures. I just use regular printer paper since the frame we're using is a glossy acrylic. Now for the fun part. You'll need your frame, scissors, pictures, and tape not pictured. Start by cutting your pictures. Once you're done, let's unwrap the frame and take off the backing. This will be our base for taping the pictures. This part will probably take the longest. I know it did for me. I suggest arranging where you want to tape the pictures before taping so you don't have any empty spaces or extra room. Thinking of you, thinking of you. Once you like where you placed everything, start taping. I used double-sided tape and then switched to regular tape since I ran out of my double-sided tape. After taping, take your frame and put the backing on the acrylic. Press it down and tighten the backings. And now you're finished and can hang up your vision board. That is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. It's just a gentle reminder to not put your life on hold just because there's a hiccup in the road. This is obviously a big hiccup, but it should not stop you from your dreams at all. Thank you again for watching this video. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button if you want to see more of my YouTube videos and all of my DIY content. I will, as always, see you next week. Thinking of you.